Hey guys, I want to show you this great free tool from Future Labs. These are the same developers that put out the Etsy package manager that I showed a few weeks ago. This is a completely free tool. There is no charge for this. This is amazing. I want to show you how well this works. All right. To do that, I'm first going to show you a photo. This is a laser cut SVG file that I created to make your own custom mouse ear headbands. All right. So all it is these round ear pieces with the holes in them to attach to a headband with ribbon. All right. So what you do here is you put in what you're selling. It is a mouse ear laser cut SVG file. All right. That's all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to drag my images over for it. Right. I'm going to hit generate listing. And it is going to give me title, tags, description, everything. Okay. So check this out. Mouse ear headband SVG file, laser cut template, DIY headband project. It even knows this. This is crazy. Unleash your creativity, mouse ear headband SVG file. Laser cut template allows you to create adorable, customizable ear headbands, perfect for parties, gift, and your own personal flair. How did it know just by the picture? That's just crazy. I love it. Designed for easy cutting and assembly. It's just mind-boggling, okay? I love that. And it tells you what you're going to get, digital download of an SVG file, uh, and it is saying they'll get the SVG, the DXF, and the EPS, and a PNG, ready to import into your cutting machine, your laser cutting machine software, um, how to use, okay? Tells you how to use it. Download, import, adjust size to your desired dimensions, select your material, cut the design. Remove the cut pieces and assemble the headband using glue, epoxy, or other adhesive to attach the ears to a plain headband. Be sure to thread the ribbon or string through the holes before adding the other ear. It even tells you to make sure you string the ribbon through. Just from that picture, it knows exactly how to assemble this laser file, which is just crazy for me. And it goes on to tell you perfect for features and benefits, license and terms of use, um, a personal and small commercial use. You may sell physical items. You may not resell, share, or distribute the digital file. And then it gives you 13 tags that are all under 20 characters each. So this is fantastic. I was talking to the developer earlier, and in the next day, you can expect to also see alt text that you can use for your listing images in Etsy as well. So if you are looking for an easy way to generate your listing, descriptions, titles, tags, all that kind of stuff, this is amazing. I love it. Cannot recommend it enough. And like I said, this is completely free. So if you need help with your Etsy listings, take a look at this Etsy listing generator and have some fun with it.